We're making an Amaretto cookie, and this is gluten-free, no flour. I'm using almond flour, sliver almond for decoration, and your flavoring is very important. You want pure almond extract, pure vanilla, and a hint of this butternut vanilla flavor is very good. Believe me, you need to get one of this flavor. I'm gonna scale this recipe, be easier, but you can do it by cup or by scale, but scaling any baked good recipe is always more exact. So this is a half a cup of measuring cup, so we'll measure it out. So my scale is to 0, so a half a cup is 53 grams. So this is 1 cup. 1 cup of almond flour is 105 grams. So you see, so it depends how we scoop. But if you Google almond flour, it said a cup of almond flour is 96 grams. So I'm going to go with that, because sometimes if you are heavy-handed and you don't measure correctly, then it'll be packed in more, and that's why it will weight more. You need 2 cups of almond flour. So that'd be 192. So I'm just going for 192. 92 exactly, so that's 2 cups. Half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to weigh it out. Powdered sugar can sometimes be lumpy, so you want to put it through a shifter. So make sure I'm at 0. And let's see what is half a cup of powdered sugar. And make sure I am in gram, 0. So half a cup. Comes out to 70 grams. So if you Google it, half a cup of powdered sugar, it's around 63 grams. So I want to take some back. OIB sweet. Okay, 63 grams, perfect. Now we'll shift the sugar into the almond flour, so that way we can mix it up and get ready to make our dough. A half teaspoon of salt, and we're going to whisk up our egg white until nice and foamy. Add our baking powder. Okay, nice and foamy. I'm going to add in our vanilla, our almond extract, and a little butternut. And then we're going to mix into, let's mix up our powdered sugar and almond flour. Now we're going to add our egg white. And we're going to mix it until it becomes a paste. Now we're going to scoop. We're going to scoop. You can make it any size you want, but I'm going to start with small size because it's a potent cookie. You want a bowl of sliver almond, and we're going to take these, we're going to dip it right in there so they will be on top. They'll be a little sticky, so if you want to, you can dip your hand in powdered sugar and you can pick them up easier. Okay, these are not going to spread, so you want to flatten it out a little bit. You can add more nuts on if you like and just flatten out just a tad to help it. You don't have to make it really flat. Now we're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. We're going to bake this at 350 and for 6 minutes we're going to rotate. Time to rotate the cookies. Wow, look at that. Looks good. We'll check again in 6 minutes. Wow, look at this cookie. 12-minute total. They look perfect. Okay, let's cut this cookie. My sister can taste this. Wow, look at that. Nice, and let me cut this down for you. Go ahead, my sister.
Okay. Thank you.
It's hot. But look at this. How gooey it is inside. There's no flour. It's gluten-free. What do you think?
That's very good. You can't tell there's no flour. It's actually a very good cookie. I love the flavor. The almond is right on. It's not too sweet. Texture's perfect. It's a gooey cookie. It's not crunchy at all. I think I might have a second bite.
It is delicious. I guess I can flatten it out some more to get it more crispy. You like the gooey texture?
I like the gooey texture because you have the crunch of the almonds. Along with the flavor of the almonds in the dough, it just adds, it's a nice finish. Very delicious.
Well, thank you. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.